So what are some things that most people don't know about me? There are a few, but I'll start with three. I have traveled the world. I've been to 36 countries. I've been to very remote areas of the world. And despite all of this, I am terrified of spiders and snakes. And I remember when we lived in Kutugu, my babysitter would actually make me pay her money to kill spiders that I would see. And so the allowance, my weekly allowance I would get, I would pay her so that I wouldn't have to see any spiders. She totally took advantage of my fear. Another thing is that I am a huge sci-fi fantasy nerd. Star Wars, Star Trek, Robert Jordan books, The Hobbit. I'm all here for it. Love, love, love them. And I'm a proud sci-fi nerd. And the final thing is I love water. I love looking at water. I love being near the ocean. I cannot swim. I mean, I can kind of sort of float, but I am such a weak swimmer. So I never like actually going into the water. I just like staring at it.
If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and share it with your network.